Redmond window installation experts provide top-notch vinyl window installation services, ensuring your home benefits from energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows. With Redmond Window Contractor Services, you can expect professional frame replacement and custom window solutions tailored to your needs. Our Redmond installation services guarantee satisfaction with a comprehensive warranty, and we proudly offer the highest quality vinyl windows Redmond homeowners rely on. For those seeking Redmond energy-efficient solutions, our insulation experts offer window insulation and weatherproofing to enhance your home's energy savings. Redmond noise reduction services are also available to ensure a quieter living environment. Our energy-saving packages, combined with durable vinyl windows Redmond, are designed to significantly lower your energy bills. Redmond home window upgrades include glass installation and seal replacement, ensuring your windows are in top condition. Our installation services cover all aspects of maintenance, including hardware replacement and style updates. With our maintenance experts, you can keep your windows functioning optimally while upgrading to long-lasting vinyl windows Redmond. Redmond window design consultation and measurement services are essential for those considering replacement. Our custom designs offer a variety of style options to suit your aesthetic preferences. With accurate replacement estimates and discounts, upgrading to vinyl windows Redmond has never been more affordable. Affordable window replacement Redmond options are available with flexible financing plans. Our customer reviews highlight our commitment to quality and satisfaction. The best vinyl windows Redmond are within reach, thanks to our competitive replacement costs and exclusive discounts. Redmond hardware services ensure your windows are equipped with the best components for performance. Our seal replacement services are crucial for maintaining energy savings and preventing drafts. Trust our installation experts for all your needs, including precise installation of vinyl windows Redmond. Redmond weatherproofing and noise reduction services are designed to enhance your home's comfort and efficiency. Our design consultation helps you choose the perfect windows, while our measurement services ensure the right fit. By selecting vinyl windows Redmond, you guarantee both style and durability. Vinyl window replacement Redmond is a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and style. Our custom designs offer a range of options to suit any home. Redmond Contractor Services provide expert guidance and flawless installation, ensuring that your vinyl windows Redmond deliver lasting value. Redmond window installation experts are your go-to professionals for all vinyl window installation needs. With years of experience, they provide services that ensure your home is equipped with the best vinyl windows Redmond has to offer. Whether you need energy-efficient solutions or custom styles, our team has you covered. When it comes to Redmond replacement cost, affordability is key. Our affordable replacement services ensure you get the best value for your money. We offer discounts and financing to make upgrades more accessible, so you can enjoy the beauty and efficiency of vinyl windows Redmond. For those seeking energy-efficient solutions, our double-pane and insulation services are designed to maximize your home's savings. Our insulation experts also provide weatherproofing and noise reduction, pairing perfectly with high-performance vinyl windows Redmond. Redmond custom designs offer a variety of style options to match your home's look. Our consultation services help you choose the right fit, while our measurement services guarantee accuracy. Enhance your curb appeal and comfort with stylish vinyl windows Redmond. Frame replacement and glass installation are essential for maintaining window integrity. Our installation services also include seal and hardware replacement. Trust our maintenance experts to keep everything in top condition, or upgrade entirely to new vinyl windows Redmond. Redmond installation warranty provides peace of mind, knowing your investment is protected. Our experts offer comprehensive warranties on all installations, including vinyl windows Redmond, ensuring coverage against defects and long-term issues. Replacement estimates are crucial for planning your project. Our Redmond estimates provide clear cost breakdowns so you can budget effectively. With financing options available, upgrading to vinyl windows Redmond has never been easier. Redmond style options cater to a wide range of preferences, from traditional to modern designs. Our design consultations let you explore the best vinyl windows Redmond for your home. With measurement services, we ensure each window fits perfectly for maximum appeal. Window energy savings are a major benefit of upgrading to efficient products. Our solutions include double-pane windows and insulation designed to cut costs. Trust our insulation experts to pair these features with durable vinyl windows Redmond for lasting performance. Redmond noise reduction services are essential for creating a peaceful environment. Our weatherproofing and noise reduction solutions ensure quiet and comfort, while vinyl windows Redmond provide the durability and efficiency every homeowner needs.